Hello students, let us learn general science for class 3 from the book Science Squad. Today we are going to learn chapter 1, Features of Living Beings. In this chapter we shall discuss the characteristics of living beings and non-living things. Let us begin the chapter. You see various things such as chairs, tables, clock, plants, animals, and people around you. Some of them are living, while others are non-living. You can recognize living beings quite easily. How? We can see that living organisms move, feel, respond, breathe, take food, grow, and reproduce. These features cannot be seen in non-living things. Now you can see the image and find out the living beings and non-living things. Let us see what movement can be seen in the living beings. Men and all animals can move from one place to another in search of food or to protect themselves from enemies. Human beings and large animals like kangaroo, deer, tiger, horse walk through their legs. That is, their movement takes place with the help of legs. We see some birds and insects. They fly with the help of the wings. That is, movement takes place through wings. We can see fish swimming with the help of fins. Plants do not move from one place to another. However, their paths will show the movement. Flowers of the sunflower, you can see they move towards the sun. Petals of morning glory open each morning by facing the sun, responding to the sun. Movement in leaves of touch me not can be observed even by a mild touch of your finger. Do you think non-living objects such as table, chair, etc. can move like this? Let us see how the living beings respond to the environment. Animals have 2 to 5 sense organs which helps them to search food or to sense danger. Insects use antenna to detect the smell in their surroundings. If you prick your finger with a pin, you pull it back. A dog barks at a stranger but wags its tail before its master. That is, it is responding to the master. Plants do not have specialized sense organs, however, they can feel. When you touch the leaves of touch me not plant, they collapse slowly. Do you think non-living objects such as table, book, chair, etc. responds to our touch? Let us see how respiration takes place in the living beings. Animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. If you are any animal is breathing, it means it is alive. Animals breathe through nose and lungs. That is, most of the animals possess lungs, while we possess lungs as well as nose. Fish respire through gills. Plants takes in carbon dioxide and release oxygen in the morning, while it takes oxygen and release oxygen at night. While it takes oxygen and release carbon dioxide at night. Plants also breathe by taking in air through tiny holes known as stomata found in their leaves. So you can see plants takes in carbon dioxide and release oxygen in the morning, while it takes oxygen and release carbon dioxide at night. Do you think non-living objects such as table, book, chair, etc. respire like this? Growth. Let us see how living beings grow. All living things eat to grow and work. A baby grows into a man. A kitten grows into a cat. A small plant grows into a big trees. Growth brings change in shape and size. Reproduction in living beings. The process of production of their own kind is known as reproduction. Female animals and women give birth to babies. Some animals like frog, lizard and birds reproduce by laying eggs. Many plants produce seeds. New plants grow from these seeds. Some plants can produce baby plants from their buds, stems or leaves. Let us now differentiate the characteristics of living organisms and non-living things based on the discussion given. We can see that living organisms can move, can breathe, can feel, and need food to grow and reproduce, while non-organisms cannot move, cannot breathe, cannot feel, and do not need any food to grow and reproduce. Let us have a chapter recap. Animals and plants are living things. All living things move, feel and react, breathe, eat, grow and reproduce. Non-living things do not have the characteristics of any of the living organisms. Chairs, books, cars, clouds, etc. are non-living things. This ends the chapter